Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change cursor settings on TradingView. To follow along, make sure you're looking at any chart inside TradingView. Whether you're tracking stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies, these simple adjustments can make a big difference in how you navigate your charts. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. At the very top of that bar is the first icon. This is the cursor icon. It controls how your mouse pointer behaves on the chart. Go ahead and click that first icon. This will open a menu where you can easily customize your charting experience. When you click it, a small menu will expand, showing the different cursor styles you can switch to. These are the preset options TradingView provides, so you can tailor your charting experience to what feels most comfortable and useful. The menu gives you a variety of styles, depending on what type of chart analysis you're doing. You'll typically see choices like a crosshair, a simple arrow, or a small dot. The exact labels can vary, but the idea is the same. Each option gives you a different way to point, measure, and read your charts. Now, pick the cursor style you want by clicking on it. The change is immediate, so as soon as you select your preference, your cursor updates right on the chart. This is especially useful when you're trying to quickly toggle between different chart views or zoom into specific data points. That's all it takes. One click to open the cursor menu and one click to choose your new pointer. It's super simple. Here are a few quick tips to help you decide which one suits you best. The crosshair is the most precise option for analysis. It makes it easy to line up your view with exact price levels on the vertical axis and timestamps on the horizontal axis. This is great when you're analyzing candlestick patterns or looking for key support and resistance levels. If you often check exact highs, lows, or candle closes, the crosshair keeps everything aligned and easy to read. It can really speed up your technical analysis, ensuring you're always on point when referencing price movements. The arrow is a familiar standard pointer that feels natural for general navigation, presentations, or when you're guiding someone through a chart. It's less cluttered, which is perfect for those moments when you're doing a quick overview of the chart or showing a colleague how to use TradingView. The dot is minimal and unobtrusive, which can be helpful if you prefer a cleaner look and don't want the cursor to draw attention away from your price action. If your chart feels cluttered or you're losing focus on key levels, switching to a simpler cursor can immediately make your view feel clearer. This is particularly helpful if you're trying to get an overview of a crowded chart or don't want any distractions when zooming in on key areas of interest. On the flip side, if you need maximum precision while placing drawings or reading values, the crosshair can save time and reduce mistakes. The crosshair is perfect when you need to be exact, such as when placing trend lines or checking precise entry and exit points for your trades. It minimizes errors by giving you a clear, easy-to-read visual guide. And that's the entire process. Click the first icon on the left toolbar, choose the cursor style you prefer, and you're done. You can change it anytime, and your choice will stick as you continue analyzing your charts. It's that easy. TradingView allows for a seamless experience, whether you're doing casual chart analysis or preparing for more in-depth trades. Give each option a try and pick the one that best fits your workflow. By customizing your cursor, you're ensuring that your TradingView experience works for you, making charting more efficient and comfortable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined charting experience. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need more tips on using TradingView effectively. Happy trading!